putting wheels on a dusty lane. Every creek calls out a name. I've been carrying who I was in a wagon, in a wagon full of memories. I pull it slow through changing days. Some things lost, some things stay. Can't haul it all, but I try, choosing what gets to ride. A wagon full of memories. Everybody moves with me, everybody moves with me. Every mile, every bend tells me where I've been. Hand-me-downs and laughter loud, old quilts, folded promises vowed, packed with hope and stubborn dreams, more than what it ever seemed. Funny how the weight I bear feels lighter when I care. A wagon full of memory ain't meant to race or flee. It just rolls at its own pace, like a life that learned to be. If I stop, let some go, it don't mean they're gone. Something's right inside my chest when the wagon's drawn. Wagon full of memories don't need shiny wheels or speed. Just a road, a little faith, and room for what I need. Wheels roll on, daylight dims, memories hum like hymns. Countertop, radio low, never stops. Morning sun through lace curtains, teaching time how to soften. Grandma's apron strings tie the world to me. Every night was love I didn't have to see. Apron folded in a drawer, kitchen quieter than before. Still I swear I feel her near when I tie mine standing here. Funny how the smallest thread pull you home instead. I tucked twice when days fell long. She'd hum half a gospel song. Didn't know what safe could be till those strings were holding me. Wipe my tears in hands, taught me how to face the world by how she'd stand. If I ever lose my way or forget how kindness claims, I remember who I am by those worn out strings. Those grandma's apron strings never letting me go. Even now they're guiding me more than they'll ever know. Knot comes loose, love still brings, home feels like strange. Sunlight through the dusty window shines. The floorboards creak like old familiar rhymes. I hear the laughter from the kitchen still, Mama's voice, the warm biscuits, the morning chill. The farmhouse walls remember every song, every story we live, every place we belong. Echoes of the farmhouse whisper through the halls, smell of hay and coffee, pictures on the walls. Every creak and shadow holds a memory so true. Echoes of the farmhouse take me back to you. The swing by the oak still sways in the breeze, Grandpa's old boots under the apple trees. Sunsets glow where the barn once stood tall. I can almost hear the old dog's soft call. Time moves on, fields turn golden brown, but the echoes linger when the sun goes down. I close my eyes, I'm back where I belong, in that farmhouse, in that love so strong. Echoes of the farmhouse whisper through the halls, smell of hay and coffee, pictures on the walls. Every creak and shadow holds a memory so true. Echoes of the farmhouse take me back to you. White dust floating in the light. Love don't measure, love just knows. That room feels smaller than before. Same Same old stove, same creaking floor, but when I breathe I'm made once more. Somehow some prayers never spoke out loud, they're made with hands. Grandma's hands in the flour, turning minutes into hours. Every meal a kind of power that fed us. Hebron strings and Sunday hums, windows open, morning comes. She'd smile soft, say help yourself, mean it. Those grandma's hands in the flour held the house through every storm, built a world warm and sure around us. If heaven smells like anything, it's bread and time and remembering love passed down in simple things like this. Rolling pin, quiet song. Grandma's hands in the flour still guide me when I'm unsure, teaching me what matters more than words. Table cleared, the light grows dim, her love stays on my skin. Turned up soil, evening chill, fence posts lean by their will. Names we spoke, then laid aside, where the roots and silence hide. Buried by the fence row, no one looks around. Some things don't need a marker to stay in the ground. I walk the line where weeds still grow, count the steps from long ago. Don't say much, just let it be. Ground remembers more than me. Funny how the dirt still knows what the heart won't show. Daddy said some things don't last, dug that hole and turned his back. I was young, I didn't ask, just learned how silence acts. Buried by the fence row with prayers we never said. Some truths live their whole damn lives between the living and the dead. If the plow ever hits that spot and brings it all to life, I hope the sun knows how to hold what we're buried out of sight. They chapter laid to rest on the far side of the line. Wind goes still, crows don't sound, fence row keeps the ground. Dusty paws on splintered wood, quiet dreams where hay once stood. Barn cats and childhood dreams, lazy days and wide-eyed schemes. Everything was what it seemed back then. The barn leans left, the paint's worn thin. Cats are gone, but I walk in. Still feel small beneath that tent roof. Funny how a quiet place can still remember your face. Chasing tails in afternoon, naming stars, inventing moons. Thought the world would come real soon for us. Those barn cats and childhood dreams taught my heart to wander free. Life was just a possibility back then. I wanted roads, I wanted more. Never thought I'd miss that floor. Cold dirt, warm hope, open door. Somehow one soft pearl, one deep wish. Barn cats and childhood dreams still curl up inside of me, reminding who I used to be when sun dips low on rusted beams. I smile and let it be. Humming low as daylight fades, her voice walks me home. Every word a candle flame, I was never alone. Porch still creaks the same old tune, rocking chair remembers you. Evening bugs and purple skies feel too quiet without your eyes. Grandma's song at dusk taught me how to trust in the dark and the dust. Love don't ever rush. Apron tied with tired hands, flower on her dress. She'd sing soft about promised land and forgiveness. Didn't know I was learning goodbye while learning why. Grandma's song at dusk grandma's song at dusk still hums when nights get tough. Even now, even us are held by that love. Sun goes down, song stays true, still rocking me back to you. Dust in the air, late afternoon, cardboard boxes, old perfume. I found your name in crooked ink, and every word made time stand still. A letter found in the attic said the things you never said. Folded dreams and second chances, written long before we bled. The house is quiet, roof still leaks, same old creaks along the stairs. I wonder if you ever knew I'd end up finding you up there. Some truths wait till it's too late. You wrote about leaving in the spring, chasing work in younger days. Said you'd come back before the frost, but life got in the way. A letter found in the attic, yellowed lines, a steady hand. I heard your voice between the words, trying hard to be a man. If I'd known you needed grace, more than pride, more than time, I'd have met you halfway home instead of reading this goodbye. If I'd known you needed grace, more than pride, more than time, I'd have met you halfway home instead of reading this goodbye. I folded it slow, then let it be. Some love waits to set us free. Letter found in the attic didn't break me, didn't mend. It just showed me who you were and who I've always been. I folded it slowly, then let it be. us free. Blades high in open air, sky spans wide, no one there. Every turn knows what it brings. Echoes in the windmill blades, echoes in the windmill blades. Call my name and then fade. Every sound's a memory, learning how to stay. Fence leans low, well runs dry. Same old wind, a different sky. I stand still, let the day turn me slow that way. Funny how the moving air keeps what's there. Cows would shade, noon would hum. Summer heat, the work half done. That creek above the watering tin kept us company. Echoes in the windmill blades never spoke too loud, just enough to let us know we weren't alone out there. If I ever fear the quiet or doubt the open land, I remember how that turning sound took me by the hand. Those echoes in the windmill blades ain't stuck in yesterday. They turn with me, reminding me to move, but stay. Wind slows down, blades still spin, echoes stay within. Yellowed smile, corners bent, light caught still in 79. Slip between a prayer and amen, a Polaroid. Sunday sun through stained glass blue. I don't kneel the way I used to, but I open up that book again, and there you are. Funny how the holiest things don't say a thing. A Polaroid in the Bible pages, smiling back, proof that love once lived right here, in between the cracks. Church steps after morning rain, lace dress, daddy's hand. Someone said, hold still a sec, and froze that day. The Polaroid in the Bible pages, time can't fade, it keeps the faith in ordinary days. picture tucked away, and I remember you. A Polaroid in the Bible pages still believes that heaven shows up quietly in memory. Dirt on knees, pockets full, nails bent, dreams still new. Morning sun on borrowed clothes, childhood dreams in overalls. Childhood dreams in overalls, too big, too small. Wore 'em proud, wore 'em thin, didn't know we had it all. Closet holds a different size, mirror shows some borrowed time. Still feel that loose thread pulling me back then. Funny how the things we wore still fit the soul. Chasing clouds behind the shed, naming stars above the fence. Thought the world was just this farm, safe inside my daddy's arms. Childhood dreams and overalls, sunburned and tall. Every hope had open seams, ready for it all. If I could button up again that fearless skin, I'd walk out just like I did, with nothing but a grin. Those childhood dreams and overalls still call my name, reminding me the truest plans don't ever change. If I could button up again that fearless skin, I'd walk out just like I did, with nothing but a grin. Those childhood dreams and overalls still call my name, reminding me the truest plans don't ever change. Folded now, but not gone. Dreams still wear 'em all along. Dusty sunbeam through the old barn door, Grandpa's hat on a hook, worn and torn. I remember sitting on the porch swing slow, hearing his stories in that gentle flow. Old hands resting on the brim of his hat, telling me tales of how life was bad. Grandpa's old hat, sitting where he left it, smells like the field, the earth and the spirit. Every crease, every fold tells a story so true. Grandpa's old hat takes me back to you. The creek still whispers where we used to play. His laugh echoes softly in the end of day. That hat's a shadow of his steady hand. A piece of him still walks across this land. Time moves on, the barn gets old, but that worn hat keeps his warmth untold. I tip it back, remember all he gave. Grandpa's wisdom, his love, the life he paid. Grandpa's old hat, sitting where he left it, smells like the field, the earth and the spirit. Every crease, every fold tells a story so true. Grandpa's old hat takes me back to you. Grandpa's old hat, sitting where he left it, smells like the field, the earth and the spirit. Every crease, every fold tells a story so true. Grandpa's old hat takes me back to you.
Just dancing in the light, wooden desks and borrowed time, names and dates on fading boards, felt like forever back before. Chalk dust memories on my hands and my head. Lessons more than numbers, all the ones I never read. Hallway echoes call my name. Lockers rust but feel the same. I pass that school on my way home, slow down more than I let. Funny how the smallest signs teach us the longest lines. Missed the bus, erased mistakes, love notes folded in my book. Learn to laugh, learn to wait, learn more than the test. Chalk dust memories smudge the years but stay. Every wrong and every right still grades me to this day. If I could raise my hand again and ask what matters most, I thank those days for teaching me what they never wrote. chalk dust memories. Ain't clean, ain't clear, but they still outline the shape of how I ended up here. Bell rings once, then fades away, but the lesson stays. Carnival lights flicker in my mind. Laughter echoes down the old dirt lane. I can see the Ferris wheel turning, spinning high in the summer sky. Cotton candy hands, carousel rides, and you laughing by my side. The scent of popcorn in the warm night air, shadows of friends who aren't there. Oh, the ghosts of the county fair, they whisper soft and low. Rides long gone, but the memories glow. Every cheer, every game we played still haunts my heart. In the warm evening shade, the prize ribbons faded, the boost boarded up tight, but I remember the music and the fireflies at night. The carousel horse where you first held my hand, a small town fair, a young heart's land. Time moves on, the fairgrounds sleep, but the echoes linger, secrets they keep. I walk past the empty lot and I swear I hear your laughter on the summer air. Oh, the ghosts of the county fair, they whisper soft and low. Rides long gone, but the memories glow. Every cheer, every game we played still haunts my heart. In the warm evening shade, of the county fair, they whisper soft and low. Rides long gone, but the memories glow. Every cheer, every game we played still haunts my heart. In the warm evening shade, rattling seats and dusty roads, laughter loud, nobody home. That yellow sound still follows me, echoes of the old school bus. I drive my kids past that same bend, same tall trees but thinner friends. wave goodbye with sleepy eyes, and I swear I hear my younger self inside. Echoes of the old school bus carry dreams and troubled us. Every mile we learned to trust who we were before we rushed. Backpack heavy, pockets light, bubble gum and paper fights. First crushed notes on folded lines. Last stop meant we still had time. Didn't know those noisy days were the quiet ones I crave. Echoes of the old school bus, every joke, every fuss, now they live inside my head long after those roads are dead. If I could ride it one more mile, I'd sit back, shut my mouth and smile. Let the future wait its turn. Let those lessons take their time. Echoes of the old school bus didn't make us famous, just us. Still teach me here and now how to laugh and slow it down. Engine hums and fades away, but those echoes always stay. Sparks climb up to a midnight sky. Pine smoke curls as the daylight dies. Boots in a circle, no need to speed. Night knows what we need. Campfire nights long ago, where the truth burns slow. Every light, every scar felt closer under the stars. I strike a match just now and then for the quiet more than the flame. Same old stories still show up when the world gets loud again. Funny how a simple fire can light the hole inside. Bent tin cups and off-key songs, passing secrets all night long. Talking brave, dreaming wide, swearing we never say goodbye. Campfire nights long ago taught us more than we were told. Every spark touched the dark, left a mark on who we'd grow. If I could sit there one more time with smoke in my eyes and hope in my chest, I'd thank that fire for showing me how to feel at rest. Those campfire nights long ago ain't ashes, just a glow. Still they warm me when I'm cold. Still they teach me what I know. Stars hold on, night still hums that song. Wooden table, evening light, pages thin, but hold 'em tight. Names and dates and faded ink, saying more than words can think. Dust on the family Bible don't mean the faith is gone. It just shows the years have passed since some hearts moved on. I brush it off, flick careful hands, like I'm touching promised land. Read the lines I used to skip, finding truth in fellowship. Funny how the words still wait, patient as our fate. Mama read by lamplight glow, Daddy bowed his head real low. I didn't know what grace could be, just knew it felt like family. Dust on the family Bible settled in like time. Every prayer we whispered soft still knows it's right. If I ever lose my way or doubt what I was taught, I'll turn back to those worn pages and find the love they call. If I ever lose my way or doubt what I was taught, I'll turn back to those worn pages and find the love they call. Dust on the family Bible ain't neglect, it's proof of a faith that lived through living and still holds true. Lamp burns low, pages stay, faith still breathes this way. back and forth on a creaking floor. Evening light through the screen door. Every sway hums an old refrain. Grandpa's rocking chair sings again. Chair's still there by the window pane. Paint worn thin, but it feels the same. I sit a while, let the world slow down. Listen close to that gentle sound. Funny how the quiet knows things no sermon ever told. Grandpa's rocking chair song never needed words. Taught me how to wait my turn and listen more than heard. He'd rock soft with a knowing smile, say, stay put, let it take a while. Didn't preach, didn't raise his tone. Let the silence lead me home. Grandpa's rocking chair song played from dusk till dawn. Every creak a lesson learned on how to carry on. If I ever rush too fast or forget what matters true, slow my steps and hear that chair rock me back to you. The strength it takes to move slow on the way. Night moves in, chair sways long, time hums low, a song. Morning rain on red clay ground, barefoot tracks go weaving round. Sun comes up, dries what it can, leaves a mark on every man. Footprints in the red clay don't wash clean away. Every step I ever took still knows my name. Road looks paved where dirt once ran, same old hill, a different plan. I slowed down where I used to race, let the past set my pace. Funny how the ground still sees who we're trying to be. We run hard till our legs are sore, leave our prints by the creek bank shore. Didn't know the earth would keep every promise made in leaf. Footprints in the red clay, side by side and crossed. Every fall, every stand shows what it cost. If I ever doubt the road or wonder where I've been, I look down and where I started and yesterday. They're the map that leads me home when I'm lost my way. Rain moves on, earth stays red, steps fade slow, but led. Count to 10, don't turn around. Straw in hair, boots on ground. Holding breath till voices break. Hide and seek in the hay bales. Barn feels bigger when it's quiet. Dust don't laugh the way it did. I step slow where we once ran. Still here, ready or not. Funny how the waiting part hits the heart. Hide and seek in the hay bales. Sun slipping low. Winning wasn't being found. It was not going home. Footsteps close, I'd bite my grin. How itch on my shins and skin. We'd switch sides, bend the rules, just to stretch the afternoon. Hide and seek in the hay bales. Hearts beating loud. Learn how quiet can be brave in a world of sound. If I ever miss the kid who didn't rush the day, I remember hiding just long enough to want to stay. Those hide and seek hay battle days still call me slow, saying some of life's best moments happen unseen, you know. Counting stops, laughter fades, game lives on in hay